All right, so since Zoom is down, today's stuff will be asynchronously, so which means all on your own. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do. That way you have a video and you can refer back to it if you need to. So we are actually going to go back into Education Galaxy. So first thing we do, we click Launchpad. Once Launchpad opens, you are going to go to Employee Elementary Resources. Elementary Resources. So again, you're going to click Education Galaxy. Now when you click it, mine's going to look a little different, so I'm going to switch the settings so that it looks like what you are used to. When you log in, here's the important part. When you log in, you're going to see Education Galaxy on the left and Liftoff on the right. You are going to click the Liftoff one, okay, so the blue one. Once you click Liftoff, you'll see the button that says My Diagnostics. So you will click that one. Here you see 7 total tests. Now, we're in reading, so obviously we're going to do the reading one. So you're going to skip the first 4, which are all for math. You see 3, foundational language skills, vocabulary, author's purpose and craft, and multiple genres. Today's activity is you are going to try to complete all 3 of these. I believe that they're all just 10 questions. So once you get through the vocabulary one, then you'll move to author's purpose and craft. Once you click on that, this will take you to the test. And you just answer them and go. Make sure that you try to get all 3 completed. Obviously, I know that Zoom is down and sometimes Launchpad isn't working. Do the best you can. See if you can get through these 3.